Alright, in this section we're going to look really quickly at translating a multiplication rule formula. So we'll be looking at a formula and then translating that out into general language to make sure that before you start using your computations you understand what specifically you're solving for. So we're going to look at two different examples. So here we have the notation probability of D/R. And looking at the fact that R represents the event of randomly selecting a senator and getting a Republican, and D represents the event of randomly selecting a senator and getting a Democrat, I'd like you to pause this video for a moment, looking back at what we have from our previous section, and write out what you think this notation P of D/R represents in general language. So pause the video, write that out, and then when you're ready, turn the video back on, advance to the next slide, and let's check it together. Alright, now I've gone through and coded these so to kind of help you take the different pieces of the formula and then tag it in with the sentence that I've written from it. So what we're looking at here is this notation represents the probability, that's our P, of randomly selecting a senator who is a Democrat after, as represented by the slash bar, already selecting a senator who is a Republican. So this is what P of D/R represents. And again, you need to make sure that you're able to move back and forth from either the word problem and writing in the proper notation or the notation and translating that out. Another example. Here we go. We have, again, P of Y/R. And here we have Y is the event of randomly selecting a bulb from the jumbled bin and getting a yellow tulip, and R is the event of randomly selecting a bulb from the jumbled bin and getting a red tulip. So again, pause the video here for a moment, go through and write out what you feel this notation represents in a full sentence, and then turn the video back on and progress to check that together. Alright, so here you should have had the probability of randomly selecting a bulb from the jumbled bin that is a yellow tulip after already selecting a bulb from the jumbled bin that is a red tulip. So, make sure you're clear on this. If you need to go back and watch this again so that you can make the translation from the formula to writing it out in a sentence, or again taking it from a sentence and writing it out as the proper formula.